Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to download OpenAI ChatGPT official app on iPhone. So recently, ChatGPT app is released officially on App Store, and here's how to download this. Go to your App Store and tap on this search box and search for ChatGPT. Search for it, and here you will find the ChatGPT app. Now all you have to need, just tap on download to download the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. To see the ChatGPT app size, scroll down a little bit, and here we can see the size is 58.9 megabyte, and also here we can see the ChatGPT app compatibility. So here we can see details. Once it's installed, tap on open, and now you have to create your ChatGPT account to use it. You can use your Apple ID, your Google, or your email address to create a brand new account. So here's I'm tapping on login because I've already have an account, and all you have to need, just sign into your ChatGPT account. Once you successfully sign in, now you can easily use ChatGPT on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.